Hello and welcome to the channel, a platform where you learn new skills that will save time and boost your work productivity. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to ensure you are notified whenever a new video is added. So, let's get started. RANDBETWEEN function is used to generate a random integer number between the numbers you specify. A new random integer number is returned every time the worksheet is calculated. In this short video section, we will learn how to generate a random integer number between two numbers. Select RANDBETWEEN function. Press Tab. Select bottom value. Select top value. Hit Enter. You can also recalculate spreadsheet manually to generate a new random number. Click on Formula tab. Click on Calculate Now. You can notice each time spreadsheet is recalculated, this function generating a new random integer number. If you want to get a random number that doesn't change when the worksheet is calculated, to do so, enter the function and then press F9 key before hitting enter to convert the formula into its result. Hopefully, now you have a good understanding on how to use RANDBETWEEN function. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not already, then please do subscribe to the channel to make sure that you don't miss any updates.